Gonna say something?
Oh, are you recording? Oh, okay. Okay, so we're going to interview someone, and it's gonna rock. So let's go.
Lady.
What's going on?
Please do not say our names.
You're not taking a picture of me.
No, stop it. Okay, do you know what K-pop is?
It's a musical group.
No, it's Korean pop. Do you know any K-pop artists?
K-pop.
We just told you.
Artists.
K-pop artists, yeah.
Isn't that a musical group?
No, it is like a whole industry of music. It's
a whole
Korean
genre.
music.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, but what bands are in K-pop? I'll give you a hint.
Sumchi?
Grandma, what's that say?
Tudet.
The correct answer was
Yes!
There you go.
You got FX.
Any others that you can think of?
What is on my
Slam dunk.
Slam dunk? Who is that? What's on my socks? What is the name?
Cutie pie. Big Bang.
Yes, lady. We're giving you more.
Oh, dear me.
To that? To what? Correct.
To anyone.
Yes. We had to spell it out for you, Grandma. It was 2, and then an N and an E and then a 1, and then
To anyone?
yeah.
To Edie?
To anyone.
To
See-
Edie Weenie?
No.
Oh.
She is intently watching the TV.
Snisted. I can't help it if you got groups that don't have these. SNSD.
There we go.
Do another one. I like this.
Okay. Okay.
Missy.
Good job. Good job. Do you know who's in Miss A?
No. Is it your teacher?
No, lady, it is not my teacher.
Let's hope not.
After school.
After school. You were close.
Well, it was a P. After school.
Bad handwriting.
After. Who's in after school?
Schooly skunk? Katie.
No.
Coffee?
Close, take out the F.
Kahi.
Yeah, good job. Kahi.
Oh. Okay.
Oh my gosh. Lady.
See if she can get it. Okay, can you get this one?
Yang.
Close enough, yes.
Okay. Let's do an easy one.
What's on TV there?
Easy stuff.
G-Dragon.
Yeah.
G-Dragon.
Okay, let's do a difficult one.
MW, you should take this and I'll do one.
Okay.
Oh yes.
Do song.
Close. You were close. Day song. You're getting good.
Doing good, Grandma. I got it. It's really bad handwriting, but let's see if she can get it.
Shani.
Yes.
Of course, girl.
Darrow.
No.
Darrow. Daron.
Dara. Oh my gosh.
Super Junior.
Yes.
Good job.
that was-
Bum.
Good job.
Oh, do.
CL.
Yeah. I'm gonna do a totally hard one for Grandma.
Okay.
Ucky.
Hold on.
I think I'm doing very well.
You're doing fantastic.
Lee.
Oh, hey, no. No, right there.
Yui.
You're close enough.
It's ooey.
This one's gonna be the best.
Amber.
Yes.
Oh.
I should get a needle like that.
Yeah. No more of those. No.
Tai Yang is sexy.
Oh.
Stu.
No,
Stu Boa.
no, take out the stew.
Boo.
Yeah, stew.
And then what you had before?
Boa.
Yes. Thank you.
That's hilarious.
Stew boo.
JYF?
I don't know, I like it. I did on that.
J-
Read it again.
JYP.
Yes.
JYP Smug.
Hold on.
SM.
Yes, yes.
Hyena?
Close. Hyena. Well, I think it actually is hyena.
What?
I'm not sure.
Static.
No. Take out the static.
Guhara?
Yes.
Gayun. Bulbasaura.
Take out the A.
Bulbasaur.
No.
The A on the
A
end.
there, but not the A at the end.
Bulbasa.
No. Bulba, sa, and then you are. Like dinosaur. Only Bulba.
Bulbasaura?
Close.
Dinosaura? Bulbasaur?
Yes. There we go.
Right here.
I like beach.
Yes. Okay, say this angrily.
Am I passing this test?
No.
I'd say you got a C plus.
Oh, I'll take that.
Say it angrily.
Pen, pen, pen.
Go pen, pen, pen.
Pen, pen, pen.
Good enough. Who else should we do?
I don't know. I can't think of anybody else.
Well, I think I passed. Pretty well.
Name someone that we put on the thing.
Ben, ben, ben.
It was pen, pen, pen.
Oh, okay. Dinosaur. Bulbasaur.
There.
Chin Chan.
What's that?
Yakasora?
Who am I wearing?
Socks.
No, who is on the socks?
A funny looking guy.
He's smoking.
Smokin' Joe.
Hold on. Who am I wearing? It says
Smoky Joe.
It was a mythical creature that flies and is a reptile.
Mythical creature that flies.
Yeah, medieval times. What?
Dragon?
Yes, and I
Yes.
put a G in front of that.
Dragon?
G-Dragon. Close enough. You got a C.
C minus. I would say.
Okay, but I passed.
Yes.
Yes, okay.
You were on the verge of failing.